Everyone thinks the best-selling ceramic car wash soap is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Chemical Guys Hydrosud 64 Oz. Let's kick things off with the Chemical Guys Hydrosud Ceramic High Foaming Car Wash Soap in the 64 Oz size. Priced at $49.99, what caught my attention was the promise of deep cleaning and a glossy shine with every wash. If you want a soap that offers both cleaning power and ceramic protection, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product is worth your time. The Hydrosud's formula is infused with ceramic polymers, which means it not only cleans but also adds a hydrophobic layer that repels water, dust, and dirt. With 4.7 stars from over 7,200 reviews, users rave about the thick foam it produces, whether you're using a foam cannon or just a bucket. This is crucial because the better the foam, the more dirt and grime it can lift off your vehicle without scratching the surface. But I've got to be real with you, some users mention that the scent can be a bit overpowering. Now here's the thing though, if you're someone who loves a strong fragrance while washing your car, you might actually enjoy it. If you prefer something more neutral, it might be worth considering a different option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-quality wash that protects your ceramic coating. Skip this one if you're sensitive to strong scents. With its dual action of cleaning and protecting, it's a solid investment for any car enthusiast. Now, if the price of the Hydrosuds bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Chemical Guys Hydrosud 16 Oz. Next up, we have the Chemical Guys Hydrosud Ceramic High Foaming Car Wash Soap in the 16 Oz size, priced at $19.97. It's basically the same formula as its bigger counterpart, just in a smaller, more affordable package. If you want top-notch cleaning without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Why is this product crucial for your car care? This 16 Oz version still packs the ceramic polymer punch, offering protection and shine while lifting dirt effortlessly. It's designed to work with foam systems, ensuring you get those thick suds that are essential for protecting your paint. With a strong rating of 4.7 stars from 7,200 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied. However, a downside is that some users feel it runs out quickly if you wash larger vehicles often. But honestly, for the price, it's a great option for regular washes, especially if you have a smaller car or are just using it occasionally. This is perfect for you if you want to maintain your car's shine without spending too much. Skip this if you wash larger vehicles frequently and need more product. Overall, it offers excellent value for the quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something designed specifically for ceramic coatings. Product number 3, Ethos Ceramic Car Shampoo. Now let's talk about the Ethos Handcrafted Car Care Ceramic Car Shampoo. Priced at $15.95, this one caught my eye for its promise of superior cleaning and hydrophobic protection. If you want a shampoo that enhances your existing ceramic coatings, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product can solve your car care problems. The Ethos shampoo is pH balanced and infused with CO2, which means it provides a durable barrier against dirt and grime while enhancing water beading. This is especially important if you want to maintain that just-washed look for longer. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,200 reviews, many users appreciate how slick and easy it is to use, making washing feel like a breeze. On the flip side, some users found it doesn't foam up as much as they'd like in comparison to others. But here's the thing, if you're after effective cleaning over foam, this shampoo is still a solid choice that gets the job done without damaging your vehicle's finish. This is perfect for you if you have a ceramic-coated vehicle and want to enhance its shine and protection. Skip this if you prefer a product that generates a lot of foam. It's a great value considering the protection it offers for your car. Now, if you're looking for something that combines advanced cleaning technology, the next product on our list is one you won't want to miss. Product number 4, Adams Graphene Shampoo. Next, we have Adams Polish's Graphene Shampoo Gallon. At $63.74, this one is on the pricier side, but the graphene-infused formula caught my attention. If you want a shampoo that combines cleaning and advanced protection in one step, this is worth a serious look. Why is this worth your investment? The graphene resins in this shampoo help protect and restore hydrophobic results while cleaning. It's designed to safely remove road grime without impacting any existing coatings on your vehicle. With a 4.7-star rating from 1,800 reviews, it's evident that users appreciate the professional results it offers. Plus, the high suds formula means you can use it in a foam cannon or bucket. However, some people complained about its higher price point. This is perfect for you if you want cutting-edge protection for your vehicle. Skip this one if you're just looking for a basic wash. That said, for the serious car enthusiast, it's a worthy splurge. Finally, if you're looking for something that balances quality and affordability, our last product has you covered. Product number 5, Chemical Guys Mr. Pink. Finally, let's check out the Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Super Suds Car Wash Soap priced at $27.99. With over 22,500 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, this one has a loyal following for good reason. If you want a reliable wash that produces thick suds and helps protect your finish, this is worth a serious look. Here's why Mr. Pink is a go-to for many. The pH-balanced formula is safe for all surfaces, including wax and ceramic coatings, and it lifts dirt without stripping any protection. It works with foam cannons to create thick suds that minimize scratches while washing, essential for maintaining your car's look. Plus, it's versatile enough to be used on cars, trucks, and even motorcycles. On the downside, some users mentioned it can be too sudsy for their liking, which could lead to more rinsing. But honestly, if you enjoy that foamy wash experience, this adds to the fun of washing your vehicle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable car wash that offers great results. Skip this if you prefer a low suds wash. Considering the performance and user satisfaction, it's a solid value for the money. So there you have it. From the premium Chemical Guys Hydro Suds to the budget-friendly Ethos, each of these ceramic car wash soaps has its strengths. If you want cutting-edge protection, the Adams Graphene Shampoo is a great choice. For a classic, reliable wash, Mr. Pink is hard to beat. Choose based on your specific needs and happy washing.